Hey guys, I'm so sorry. After viewing the video, I realized that it had shut off and I hadn't realized it did. So let me show you what the not finished, but put together meal looks like. I am going to finish it up in the oven, I decided, because I couldn't quite get, this is as low as it'll go, and now it's barely bubbling, where before it was bubbling too much. So I'm going to cover it and put it in the oven at a very low temperature and let it cook in there, finish cooking in there, and I think that would work out better. So with the tomato paste, I added the beef broth little by little and mixed it till I could easily pour it into here. And I had added the meat, mixed it all up, and put in the garlic last. And now I'm just going to cook it or stew it and let it cool down and pack it away for the middle of the week, which then all I will have to do is make rice. And that's our version of ropa, yeah. George, you are not going to steal my sandwich, were you? Huh? I saw that. You're a naughty boy. Oh my goodness. He won't bite the end of it like some dogs. See if he'll have a little piece. Sometimes he refuses it if it's not actually meat. So I think he will eat that. It's got a little piece of meat on it. There you go. Oh, he's a good boy. There, that's your portion. Huh? That's your portion. So anyway, guys, if anything like unusual happens to you, or you have really good news, or you notice something that is, significant to you, you can comment down below. That would be awesome. Look, there's George's dirty blanket. Here's my roses. These are beautiful. I got these buy one, get one at the local grocery store. And Mike took me there. We had to pick some things up, and he let me pick out 2 dozen. Pity. Anyway, I noticed we had some new subscribers, like I said before, or I think I said before. Hello. We hope things are going well for you, and we appreciate you dropping by and liking and subscribing. Hello to our returning viewers. We appreciate you so much, and we hope you'll have a blessed week. So, God bless you. Until next time.